What's going on everyone, Nathan here, and in today's video I'm gonna share with you 12 no experience work from home jobs in 2020 that you can get started with as soon as today if you like to. To find out all the details, all you have to do is stay with me, but first, if you are new around, make sure to subscribe to my YouTube channel because I upload videos on a consistent basis about how to make money online, work from home opportunities, entrepreneurship and much more. And make sure you also hit that notification bell so you can be notified every time I upload a new video. Alright, so as I said, I'm gonna share with you 12 no experience work from home jobs that you can get started with as soon as today if you like to. Now, you need to pay attention and watch the whole video here. I'm gonna share some tips and insights, so make sure you watch the whole video, don't skip out on any important information here. Make sure you also subscribe to my other YouTube channel, which is My IM Tips. It is related to internet marketing, make money online, work from home and a lot more. You're going to find a link at the top and of course in the description below. And if you are interested in building a real, sustainable, long-term online business, make a full-time passive income online, I highly suggest you to have a closer look at my #1 recommendation right here below when we finish this video, of course. But for now, let's see how we can get started to make money working from home without any experience. Let's get started. Alright, the first opportunity that we can apply for without any experience is to become some kind of a moderator. Now, perfect site and opportunity to apply for to do this is actually modsquad.com. You can see here, they call them the mods, and it actually is a lot more than just moderating. If you go to the section here to apply for it, what is a mod, they do explain what it is. It's not only about moderating forums, but you can see here it can be actually about chatting with customers, manage your communities and buzzing in social media. So you might apply to be a moderator in some kind of a group or something like that. But it's a great way and opportunity actually to get started to work from home and earn some extra money with this. Have a look at it at modsquad.com. I'm not going to read through all the details here because it would take up too much time. Just go ahead and have a look at it. And of course there is probably some other sites that you can apply for also to become a moderator. But I think it's a great way to get started here on modsquad.com. Let's move on to another opportunity, and that is to become a transcriber. I actually like this method because I consider it one of the easiest way to get started to make money from home. You don't need any previous experience. Basically, you need a good pair of headphones and of course be good at typing. So that is more or less what you need to do. And just to give you a quick idea here, you can go to a site like gotranscript.com and have a look at the details if you want to. Let me share with you another site. Transcribeme.com is also pretty similar actually. There is a lot of these kind of sites here. I'm just going to share a few of these. You just go to the section where it says join as a transcriptionist, and you can see here that you can earn anywhere from $15 up to $22 per audio hour here on transcribeme.com. Another site also is rev.com, and basically you can actually do more than just transcription here. If I go down to the bottom and go to the freelancers section, you can see that you can actually apply for being a captioner, transcriptionist, and you can see you can actually earn up to $1.10 per audio video minute here. And also, if you happen to know a foreign language, this is a great opportunity for you to be a subtitler, because you can earn anywhere from $1.50 up to $3 per audio video minute. Definitely a site to have a look at, rev.com. So let's move on to another opportunity here, and that is to go to a site like appen.com. Now Appen has actually a lot of jobs here, so we are going to the section here where it says jobs. So if I go here, you can see this is one of the most popular worldwide sites actually, because they have a lot of opportunities around the globe here. So you can apply for any kind of jobs. I'm just go for the corporate jobs here, but you can do like micro tasks. They have tons of jobs here. And what you can do is actually search for, you can see the location to get started with. So if I go, for example, like Greece, where I am located, there you go. You can see that there is remote jobs only available here. And basically two of the most popular jobs that I think probably is available for most of the countries is to become a social media evaluator and web search evaluator. Now, web search evaluator would probably be to ask you to go in the search engines and search for something and see where it is ranked for a specific keyword or product or something like that. And I think that more or less it is pretty similar also to be a social media evaluator, where you will be involved in social media platforms and you can go inside there. They will ask you if you can see an ad, for example, if you are in Facebook, Twitter or Instagram, and if you paid any attention to the ad and so on there. So you can see here, it says, as I mentioned earlier, this is a worldwide opportunity, 130 countries and more in 180 languages. So I just took Greece here as an example, but you can go here and type for any kind of country if you want to. Let's say, for example, Sri Lanka, remote. Okay, so if I go here, Sri Lanka, you can see that they actually search even for a transcriber here. So perfect opportunity if you are from Sri Lanka, for example. Appen.com, as I said, definitely a site to go and get started to apply for any kind of work from home jobs without any experience. Alright, you can actually help out with chatting, chat service and support. You can go to a site like the chatshop.com. And if I go to the section where it says careers, you can see here that there is job openings, for example. If I go here, the current job openings that are available, they're looking for a telephone booking agent, remote. So there is actually some opportunities here available right now. But go ahead and have a look at it for yourself. As I said, it will take up too much time if I go into do the details here. So let's move on to next one, and that is actually to become a virtual assistant, any kind of a virtual assistant more or less. I like this site here. It is very easy to get started, to search here for virtual assistant jobs at virtualassistantjobs.com. So you go to the job section here and basically you can get started to search with keywords, category, let's say for example call center, okay? So you can see here 148 matching records. You can sort with full-time, part-time, one-time task and so on there. A lot of opportunities here actually, so don't limit yourself. There are so many opportunities here. I think that let's go for example marketing and advertising. Look at these 35 matching records. So I would actually take the time here and get started and search for some opportunities here. And let's move on to something else, and that is actually to apply for data entry work. Now, Lionbridge is a site that has been around for many years, and if you go to the section here where you can join the Smart Crowd, it is the smartcrowd.lionbridge.com. You can see that it is the world's largest providers of at-home work, as it says here. They've been around for over 20 years, so definitely a great site to have a look at. But you can also go to a site like clickworker.com. You can see here if I go to the section where it says earn money as a click worker, and you can clearly see that they are looking for people, internet users worldwide who can create or correct texts, participate in surveys, or search and categorize data for us. Alright, so you can see here text creation, categorization, copy editing, proofreading, research surveys, mystery visit, app testing, and photo capturing. All right, let's move on to another opportunity, and that is to become a tester. You can become a test user testing websites and apps actually, where companies, they want some feedback. If you can find a product, specific product, or a price tag, or if it was easy to see and be able to purchase, for example, a product or something, or of course a new app there. So you can become a test user, and Testing Time is one of the sites here. You can see here that you test products at home via Skype or on the site with the customer. So you get the instructions and you have to just talk aloud, just like I do right now. So they say, for example, that could you find that product? And you say, I'll search for it here and there. It was easy to fill in the details and so on there. And you can see that you can earn up to 50 euros per hour. Now this should be approximately around $60 US dollars actually per hour as I'm recording this video right now. But there is also some other similar sites. One quick example could be Userlytics. You can see here userlytics.com. You can just go to the section where it says tester sign up. And you can see here that you get paid anywhere from $5 even up to $90 per hour for having fun, expression, opinions with while you navigate the web there. So these are just two examples. There is more sites here. So that is a great example actually that you can get started to work from home without any experience. Doing tasks, micro tasks, or any kind of tasks could be another opportunity. One site here is remotetasks.com. You can see here, make money doing tasks. You can start earning from home as soon as today, as it says here, and they pay out via PayPal. Has all kind of different small tasks there. You can see here like image annotation, categorization, comparison, audio transcription, data collection, and so on there. And regarding micro tasks, I have shared these sites in the past. We have another one which is rapidworkers.com. You can see here for voting for a YouTube video you can earn 10 cents, follow someone on Twitter 12 cents, and this doesn't really require any experience at all to do this kind of jobs here. We have picoworkers.com. This is a similar site, and of course also one of the first sites that were around, which is microworkers.com. Alright, let's move on to something else, and if you happen to like to write content, then Textbroker could be a great opportunity and site to go to apply for writing any kind of content actually. It might be writing articles, it might be writing for a blog, writing press releases, rewrite some articles maybe. Textbroker is one of the most popular sites, and we have an alternative that is iWriter.com. These are just two, and I'm actually also going to share something else here real soon regarding writing and all the previous opportunities also. So bear with me here and stick till the end, as I said. Alright, let's move on to something else. If you go to a site like italki.com, you can see here that it says that you can become fluent in any language. So if you happen to know a language, as I mentioned earlier, then italki could be a great way to apply for, to do one-on-one lessons online to help someone in, of course, talk the language that you are or they are interested in, okay? So italki.com, that is a way of tutoring actually, more or less. And speaking of tutoring, here is also Chegg.com, where you can become a tutor. You can see if I go to the section where it says become a tutor, and they do explain all of the details here. You can see you can earn up to $1,000 plus per month, starting at $20 per hour. So this is not bad at all. It also depends here on what you are good at. It doesn't have to be only English or any kind of a language, but it could be, for example, teaching maths or algebra or whatever. Okay, so don't limit yourself there. Go and have a look at tutoring. Online tutoring is definitely a great way also. Alright, let's move on to something else here, and that is any kind of freelance jobs. This is also one of my favorite methods because I think that you can apply for more or less a lot of opportunities and jobs here. And you can also apply for, I think, almost all the opportunities I shared with you in the past in this video here. So if I go, for example, like a moderator, I haven't actually searched this before, but you can see here I will moderate your Discord server, moderator, but you can apply to do a profile like become a social media moderator, social media evaluator, for example, or let's say transcribe. Okay, if I just type transcribe, you can see here that there is a lot of people who applied for this service. I'm not logged in here, that's why this shows up here. But you can see here I will transcribe any song. Now this could be something to stand out and be different. You can transcribe audio, video, and a lot of other things also. And of course also mention captioning, for example, when you create your profile. Or why not, for example, have a look at the data entry, okay? Of course, virtual assistant and all the previous jobs that I mentioned in the video here is something that you can apply for as a freelancer. So a tip here, I usually say that create a profile on all these sites I mentioned here and apply for, so you don't just wait on one site to give you opportunities there. And of course there is more freelance sites like freelancer.com, and we have upwork.com. Alright, let's move on to a final bonus opportunity here, and that is to go to GPT sites. These are the so-called get paid to sites. The first one I'm sharing with you here is getpaid2.com, where you can earn money for taking surveys, playing games. There is some offer vaults there, so a lot of opportunities here. You can see they have the offer vaults, and you can earn some quick points, and you can redeem those points, of course, to cash. PayPal Cash probably is the most preferable, but there is also Amazon gift cards and so on there. Here's also another site that is one of the most popular, swagbucks.com. You can see here that they have paid out over $415 million to this day when I'm recording this video here, and you can see how it works. If you go here to the section, you can actually earn points by shopping online, answering surveys, watching videos, discover offers, search the web, play games and mobile app there. Also to apply for even more opportunities. And here is one more, it is grabpoints.com. I have made a separate video actually on this alone. So they do have tons of opportunities here. You can see advertisers pay, so they recruit members like you. Watching videos, taking surveys, completing offers, downloading apps and more, and you earn free gift cards or PayPal Cash here. And of course they do have a referral program, which is in my opinion a great way to earn some passive money with this. Now you're probably not going to get rich, but it's definitely a great way to earn some extra money online from the comfort of your home without any experience. So there you have it, 12 plus no experience work from home jobs that you can get started with as soon as today. Now, as I said in the beginning, if you are interested in making a full-time passive income online, build a real sustainable online business, I highly recommend you to have a closer look at my #1 recommendation right here below. If you get some value here, I really appreciate if you smash that like button below. Make sure you subscribe to both my YouTube channels that you're going to see at the end screen here. They are both related to make money online, work from home opportunities, internet marketing related stuff and a lot more. Hit the notification bell also so you can be notified every time I upload a new video, and you're going to find another Make Money Online video recommendation that you can have a look at. Thank you very much for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.